Today's the day. New windows are going in. Weather stripping going on. Oh, love when all the things are happening. So, besides the obvious quality benefit to working with a crew like Renewal by Andersen, another awesome benefit is when they roll in with a serious crew, because they know that time is money and they want to get your job done not only right, but they want to get it done fast. So we've got 7-8 guys here. They rolled up with 3 box trucks. All the windows are on site, all the brake metal's here, and everybody knows what they're doing. So you're going to see a massive impact, and you're going to see it quickly, because this is a crew that is well oiled. They know what they're doing, and they do it day in and day out. So again, they remove all the old windows, they take them with them, and then they install all the new windows, and then after that they do all the brake metal, which is all basically the exterior trim material that goes around the windows from the outside. Make sure you're totally weather tight and you have a beautiful finished look. Can't say I've ever seen any company vacuum a windowsill before, but I appreciate it.
So the one room had like 8 windows in it.
Okay.
And I said, damn, it's loud in here. And I told the lady, I was like, watch, don't come back up here until the end of the day, until it's all enclosed. And she came up there. It was like museum quiet. Like, we'll see, bro.
Windows are like snowflakes.
I'm so happy the camera was rolling.
They're like snowflakes. You know, to get two alike.
That's great.
The staircase is 30, and that is one serious piece of glass. That is the largest window in the entire firehouse project. It is the center window in my office. Cannot wait to see this thing installed, and very happy I'm not the one who had to carry it up the stairs. Oh my God. That is crystal clear. window on the job. Last old window out, last new window going in right now. 19 windows, 2 doors, 5 days. Thoughts on the glass itself? Super impressed. Noticeably quieter in the building. Noticeably quieter in the building. I've got a bus stop outside of this building. It has dampened the sound of the buses coming by a lot. I don't know how to quantify that in any scientific way, but I can tell you it is much, much quieter in this building. From a solar gain perspective, sun hitting your windows, heating up your buildings, I went with the low E4 Smart Sun glass that Renewal by Andersen offers. Very, very impressive stuff. It used to be the old windows, you couldn't really touch the glass when the sun was beaming straight at it. It got that hot, no exaggeration. This glass is incredible. I mean, it is literally cool to the touch, which I have never seen in any window, quality or complete crap like I used to have in here. So really, really impressed with that. As far as stats go, the low E4 Smart Sun glass is 70% more efficient in the summertime, so it reflects that much more heat than a standard double pane glass. And in the wintertime, it's 49% more efficient. Numbers or no numbers, what that equals is a lot of savings when it comes to your monthly energy bill. That is going to be huge. I'm really excited to start paying attention to that and to see what happens once this project is completely finished. On top of that, the Smart Sun glass also reflects 95% of UV rays. Why is that important? Because UV rays are what discolors your floors, is what discolors your furniture, is what discolors your artwork, and discolors your window treatments. So 95% of those harmful rays that start to deteriorate the things inside of your home are being reflected. Those few things right there are absolutely huge. The crew was absolutely incredible. Cannot speak highly enough about how professional these guys were, the attention to detail they had, and just how nice they were to have on the job site. Not only were they subcontractors, but we really became friendly. And I think that really speaks to the mission that Renewal has in terms of really making sure that their customers are happy. They told me at the beginning of this process they put their customers first. No reason to doubt it now. It was absolutely incredible. I mean, any questions I had, any concerns I had, they addressed everything. Putting in the doors to the roof deck was no easy task. This is a very old building. They had to pack out the masonry. They spent a solid day and a half just on those doors because it was a really, really custom install. And, they were just as proud of that install as I was to see that actually in my home now. So could not speak highly enough about the professionalism that these guys have when it comes to their job.